In this video, we're going to show you how to change a chainsaw blade. So with the chainsaw, there's a special tool that we use that comes with the chainsaw that has a flathead side as well as a side for a bolt. So what you'll do is you'll loosen the bolt and you'll take off the outer piece. And then once you have this off, you'll slowly start to work the blade off. You'll then grab the new sharpened blade. And when you put on this sharpened blade, you want to make sure that the big part of the blade is on the back closest to you, because what the chainsaw does is it feeds clockwise. So you'll want to feed that big part of the blade into the wood or whatever you're cutting with this. You'll then start to use the frame. You can pull it out to tighten it and pull it in to loosen it. So you'll start to put the chain into the frame, and as you slowly start to get it in, you'll start pulling it out to tighten it to keep the blade locked into place. Then when you have this piece tightened to where you want to be, the whole blade on, you'll then put the piece back on with the bolt. You'll tighten that bolt. And then as you get it tightened, you'll then switch to the flathead side of the chainsaw tool. This then tightens the blade. And when you have the blade, you don't want it to be completely tight. You want to make sure that there's just enough slack. Check the slack, and you're good to go.